How to fix form validation failed in Instagram. So if you want to fix if the form validation failed error on Instagram that you're receiving, this could be happening due to many reasons. First of all, you must carefully check your entered information for any typos or incorrect details like your username, password, email address or date of birth, and ensure that they comply with Instagram requirements. If that doesn't help or you think that everything is correct, what you can do is long press the Instagram app icon. Tap on the I button, which will take you to your app info page. So from here, you want to simply go to the storage tab on Android, clear cache, and make sure to clear the data. If you're using iPhone, go to settings and make sure to offload the app. Once done, go to your Play Store. In the search bar, simply search for the Instagram app. Check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, it should definitely help you solve the problem. If it is still not helping you solve it, make sure that your internet connection and everything is working fine. Otherwise, the last solution that you have is to simply report the problem to Instagram. Come to your profile page, tap the three lines option from the top right, and you can simply go to the help section by scrolling down, tap on report a problem, go ahead and then select report a problem button right here, tap on include and don't include, and then you can go ahead and then simply select a few screenshots that you want to upload as to what kind of issues you're having, and after that you can simply explain what the issue is and Instagram should be able to get back to you. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.